Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video I will be going over hot corners. So first of all, what exactly are hot corners? Well, hot corners let you achieve specific functionality a lot quickly. So for example, say I want to activate the launchpad, I can go over and click on the launchpad, but since I have the hot corners enabled, I can just go to the bottom right corner and here's my launchpad. Likewise, here's my mission control and my dashboard and screensaver. So as you can see, hot corners can really help you be a lot more efficient and effective while working at your desktop. So how do you activate the hot corners? Well, go into your system preferences. You'll see the mission control option at the top. Double click on that. And on the bottom left corner, you have the hot corners. Now, as you can see, you have 4 different corners, and for each corner, you have numerous different options that you can choose from. And I prefer dashboard, start screensaver, and launchpad, and mission control. Besides these, you do have the option application window, desktop, notification center, um, put display to sleep, disable screensaver, and so on. So play around with these settings, see what works well for you, what suits your need, and what goes with your entire setup. And yeah, alright guys, that is it for this video. I hope you learned something new, you found value in this video, and I'll catch you guys later. Thank you.